Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I just like to show you how to add picture in resume. So let's begin our video. So firstly we just need to open our resume on Microsoft Word. So open our Word, and then I just give you a sample. This is my resume like that. And now what I do, I just need to add here a resume. This is my resume and I need to add here on my picture. So for that, what should I do? I just need to click on insert, then select picture, and then select I just need to select my photo from my um, laptop or PC. Here you can see this is my photo. I just give you example. Right click on your mouse, select on wrap text, select in front of text. Just you need to resize it. Here you can see this photo is a square shape, and you can change this photo shape like that, round shape. If you want to make this photo round shape, just select this photo, then go insert or design anything. So if you want to make round, you just need to delete it, then again go insert picture, and then insert um, in front of text. Now you can see there have an option. Just go on here, you can select round shape from here, any round shape you can select, this one or this one. I select this one. Now here you can see that is, and in this way you can add your picture in resume very easily. So hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.